Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today, July 25th, Tuesday, at 1:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for euro related currency pairs, and at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting and medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect volatility in gold also during these news hours. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the past price action in daily time frame, it was in a very strong bearish trend respecting this trend line or the resistance line, and after testing this previous trend line or support line from the daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to make a double bottom pattern and to break the previous trend line or resistance line in order to take the liquidity or to test the previous resistance level from where it started its bearish side retracement. And since the double bottom pattern has been completed, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. We can expect it to retrace to this previous trend line or support line, and this line will be acting as a strong support for the current price action. We also have a bullish trend line running over here and also the previous support line from the past price action. So this is the level I am expecting the price action to retrace and to take support to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So before making the bearish side retracement also, we have noticed a price action to make a trend reversal candle. Then only we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the opposite trend, which is the bearish trend. So in the current price action also, wait for the price action to make a trend reversal candle or an exhaustion candle in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. And for now we don't see any exhaustion candle, so we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And this level is going to be acting as a very strong support because in the past we have noticed a price action to bounce back on a very strong high volume bullish candle, which shows that there are lots of buyers sitting over here. So it will be hard for the current price action to break this support zone. This support zone on the trend line and the previous trend line from the daily time frame, which is supporting the current price action from falling further on the bearish side retracement. But again, to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal, you have to have some sort of trend reversal candle to be formed at this level in order to get the confirmation on trend reversal. So for now we can expect the price action to respect these levels. So current resistance level is going to be around 1959 or 1960, and current support level is going to be around 1934. And currently the price action is trading between this resistance level and the support level. And only when the price action breaks this support level and the trend line, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1894. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1959, next level of resistance is going to be around 1979, 2000 and 2030. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, previously it was clearly moving on a bullish trend, and after testing a higher time frame resistance zone between 1987 to 1980, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. As explained in the daily time frame, the price action had made a double bottom pattern in the daily time frame, and we are noticing the price action to react to this double bottom pattern, which is bearish side retracement. And in the 4 hours time frame also, we have noticed the price action to make a double top pattern So we can expect the price action to take support on this previous trend line or support line from the daily time frame for now. So in the 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side retracement. As long as the price action is trading above this trend line from the daily time frame, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the current price action in hourly time frame, it is in a bearish trend. It has also bridged this higher time frame support level of 1959 or 1960, and it is in a very strong bearish trend for now in hourly time frame. And even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, it has to break the hourly time frame trend line or the resistance line in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side retracement continuation. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. So if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect it to retest on the previous low, which is going to be around 1945. And only when the price action bridges this support level of 1945, next we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or support line from the daily time frame or the support level of 1934. And if the price action wants to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, first it has to break the current resistance zone, which is going to be around 1960, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect it to retest on the previous resistance level of 1967, 1974, 1979 and 1987. And for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the current price action in 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it is also in a very strong bearish trend. Previously, before breaking this support zone, we have noticed a price action to respect this or to react to this support zone, and finally it has given a breakout on the bearish side. So we can expect it to test the next level of support zone, which is going to be between 1946 to 1944. So in the 30 minutes time frame also, the price action is in a bearish trend. Only when the price action gives a breakout from this bearish widening wedge, we can expect a bullish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is taking support on the support level of 1954. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1951, 1946 and 1944 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1957, 1959, 1961, 1963 and 1967. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bearish trend. So I would recommend trade with the current trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.